The Emporium Model is an innovative, self-paced, technology-based teaching model that is proven to increase success rates in math. Research shows that requiring students to master material before moving on and allowing students to move at a pace that is both challenging and individually appropriate are vital for success in challenging cumulative subjects like math.
Especially in high school, students are kind of pushed from one class to the next even if they don't demonstrate mastery. They just are. So they don't really even have a chance for success because they don't understand the basics or the foundation for what they need.
The Emporium Model not only has an impact on a student's singular math class, but effectively shortens time to graduation, increases overall academic success, and has a marked impact on retention and on-time graduation rate.
Everybody can relate to a class that they just don't excel in. There's always something that's challenging. Everybody has different strengths. So the nice thing about this program is that it builds on the strengths that they do have in math. It takes everybody where they're at, and it's not comparing them to everybody else in the class. It gives them credit for things they already know. When they see that they start earning passing grades, then it sort of, I guess, energizes them and builds their confidence to realize, oh, I can learn this. Much like all the programs at SUNY Morrisville, which are very hands-on, this approach to teaching math is a very hands-on approach. Students are working, they're diving into it, they're solving problems, and they're involved. Support to this campaign will ensure that every student has access to the same tools to be successful in this class.